INTOSAI's strength lies in the cultural, linguistic, and governmental diversity of its global membership, which consists of supreme audit institutions representing different regions and auditing systems. Availability of information on auditing practices, mandates, scope, organization, functions, methodologies, and experiences is necessary to define best practices and criteria for benchmarking purposes, as well as launching new developments, which may yield better products and services for accountability stakeholders. In the past, it has been attempted to gather these data. Nevertheless, these efforts have only been oriented to a limited scope or a specific geographical area. Besides, this information has not been obtained in a systematic manner. During the 20th INTOSAI, held in 2010 in South Africa, it was agreed to establish a task force to create a database on Supreme Audit Institutions information. This entity has already created an electronic tool to gather updated information in order to make it available to the INTOSAI community, its stakeholders, and the general public. This database is not designed to evaluate or to judge the INTOSAI members' audit practice, products, organization, and relationship with other entities. On the contrary, this project's objectives are to strengthen the communication, cooperation, and exchange of information, to foster the identification of themes of common interest, to support the SAI's capacity building and continuous improvement, to maximize the SAI's and the stakeholders' use of INTOSAI knowledge services, to demonstrate the value and benefits of SAIs enhancing the public confidence, and to make a contribution to transparency in order to strengthen INTOSAI members' reputation. The survey methodology will allow obtaining public information and fact-based data, whose statistical analysis could facilitate the conduction of research on SAIs. This initiative will help accomplishing the INTOSAI strategic goals 2, institutional capacity building, and 3, knowledge sharing and knowledge services. Additionally, this innovative tool shall demonstrate the value and benefits of SAIs, thus helping to promote public trust in our institutions, and enhance INTOSAI communications, facilitating timely, accurate, and transparent internal and external communication to improve government auditing worldwide. The instrument comprises 10 thematic sections, which are displayed on the screen. All the gathered information, excepting the section on SAI's capacities, knowledge, and information exchange, will be made available to general public. The referred section will exclusively be accessible to the INTOSAI members in view of its sensitive nature. You have already received an invitation to complete the online questionnaire, including its version in MS Word. Your collaboration will be appreciated since the survey results will be the input for the SAI's information database. Taking into account the interest shown by the INTOSAI community, the deadline to complete it has been extended to November 30th, 2013. The questionnaire is already available at www.intosai-database.org.mx. It is important to highlight that SAIs are responsible for the reliability and accuracy of the information provided. INTOSAI is unable whatsoever to look after the data validation. The electronic tool has been designed based on the structure of the INTOSAI website so as to facilitate the user's navigation. Besides, it has been developed in the 5 official languages: English, French, Arabic, German, and Spanish. By clicking on the different links, you will access the different sections, such as copyright and privacy policy, and also contact information to ask for technical support. By clicking on Login, the visitor will be taken to an interface to fill out his or her username and password, as it is shown on the screen. On the Welcome site, a secondary menu is displayed on the left, which is useful to enter the sections to update the respondent's contact information and password, to complete the SAI's data, and to fill out the online questionnaire. On the screen, a main progress bar is shown to visualize the progression of the corresponding SAI. This electronic tool has been designed to contain diverse databases so additional main progress bars could be added as different surveys be uploaded by INTOSAI entities. The user is taken to an interface where she or he could complete the questionnaire by thematic section. This is relevant considering that some of the requested information might be handled by officers from different departments. The electronic tool allows registering as many users as appointed by the SAI. When getting into the desired thematic section, for instance, number 4, SAI's organization, the user is taken directly to the questionnaire. On the screen, you can see question 4.1 with checkboxes. Once any answer has been chosen, the electronic tool will automatically save the information. The question will be highlighted in gray or yellow as it might be completed or modified. Afterwards, a green shadow will be shown to confirm the user that her or his response has been automatically saved in the database. For certain questions that require a numeric answer, the tool will allow the user to fill out directly or to select a predefined number by using the arrow buttons. This electronic tool allows dichotomous questions, multiple choice questions, as the one shown on the screen, which could be easily modified by the respondent, open-ended questions, and also closed questions. At any time, the user is given the chance to verify the progress made both by thematic section or considering the overall survey. The electronic tool is also able to include rank order scaling questions. In this example, the user is asked to prioritize the mass media preferred to disseminate the SAI's audit work. By dragging and dropping the desired responses, the user is able to respond, prioritize, and modify the answers. Depending on the user's workloads or available time, the electronic tool allows logging in and out as many times as required by the respondent. There is unlimited access to complete the survey. This process provides the user with an opportunity to look up additional information or another respondent with the option to continue with the same or different thematic section. The questionnaire might also be completed simultaneously by several users at the same SAI, who are given different usernames and passwords to answer on behalf of the same institution. For tracking purposes, the database records each modification made to the answers, along with the responsible respondent. For a better use of this electronic tool, we kindly invite you to download and use Firefox and Google Chrome. The database is aimed at providing the INTOSAI community and the key stakeholders with information for better decision-making and promoting the effective institutional communication on the value and benefits of both SAIs and INTOSAI. From our perspective, the main contributions of the database are the following: to strengthen the accountability, integrity, and transparency of SAIs and INTOSAI, to demonstrate the ongoing relevance to stakeholders, and to help SAIs and INTOSAI constituting themselves as model organizations. As a tool useful to demonstrate the value and benefit of SAIs, this initiative will impact their credibility, competence, and independence. The SAI's Information Database will also contribute to other INTOSAI initiatives, such as the SAI Performance Measurement Framework. The electronic tool is already available to feed the database. By December 2013, additional functionalities will be launched once the INTOSAI members complete their questionnaires. Statistics-related functionalities and options to export and plot SAI's data will be made available, along with a user's manual and a guide to raise the awareness and to promote the use of this database. Thank you very much.